Your rocker panel moldings can take a lot of debris over the years, especially being located at the bottom of the vehicle. When it's time to replace, we've got an identical reproduction for you. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1965 through 67 Chevelle and El Camino rocker panel moldings. These are sold individually or in a pair at a discounted price for your convenience. The moldings are manufactured from stamped aluminum. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure an even, concourse quality finish. At the end of the production line, each molding is bright dipped and paint detail is professionally applied at the factory and the precise slat location to preserve your Chevelle or El Camino's originality and value. In addition, each molding includes the attaching hardware and clips, making installation a snap. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.